are PhD qualified, and that is probably a unique characteristic that we have here in public administration. Secondly, and we are very, very proud of this fact is that our senior faculty at DPA is currently serving as Vice Chancellors in 3 leading universities in Pakistan. One Marshal is with us, Dr. Khalid Mahmood Iraqi. We have Dr. Shakibul Hasan, who is leading Hamdard University and as Vice Chancellor, and we have Professor Dr. Akhtar Baloch, who is also leading as a Vice Chancellor at the University. So, ये सब बताने का मकसद ये है कि ये सारी की सारी अचीवमेंट्स, ये सारी की सारी फैकल्टी जो आपको अवेलेबल है इसमें, वो आपके लिए भी सोर्स ऑफ प्राइड होगी और आपको इंशाअल्लाह यहाँ आके एक बहुत अच्छी इन्वायरमेंट भी प्रोवाइड होगा इसी वजह से. One of the level is the level of shared knowledge, जिसके अंदर हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स टू कम अप विद knowledge, not give knowledge but share knowledge. So through assignments, through case studies, through assessments and different learning techniques, we ensure that students have shared knowledge के parameters को follow करें. The second thing that we do is at the Department of Public Administration is practical exposure. Generally, जो subjective some forms of activity. The third thing is the ethical model that we follow. We are highly ethically responsible, I would say, and we ensure that our students follow those rules, respect each other, respect the faculty, respect our staff, and respect the campus as well. जो campus building है इसका भी हम बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं. And finally, we want to like our students to